might need some change, man. I'm gonna have to make a change out of BeerMoney 917, so I'm getting down.
Friend, BeerMoney. Oh, good day.
Hey, BeerMoney, 917 waving at you down there around San Bernardino, California. Hey, BeerMoney, 445, Radio Man, Mississippi, waving.
Put it on your later ride,
Hey, 445, man, tell my... Hey, 445, tell my buddy BeerMoney I'm waving, man. It's been a long time since I heard him out there. 445, 27 in the bushes.
Alright, 27 in the bushes. Hey, BeerMoney, 027 Ratchet waving at you. Hey, BeerMoney, Northern Cal, 445 to that 27 Ratchet waving.
Right. No. There's...
Hey, Yardbird, man, you know what I'm doing already, man. Hey, Yardbird, you know what
Hey, 415, who you telling no to? Hey, 415 San Diego, who you saying no to?
Yardbird, don't you worry about that, man. I'll be wearing my skull helmet. I'll see you.
You might be looking in the mirror now. 917 is clear as gold.
Turn that shit down. Ain't no need to be cranking that down. Do, Scooby.
Right back at you, Yardbird, man. It's good to hear you guys' voice out there. Yardbird, it's definitely good to hear you out there, man. I'm glad everyone's doing well and swell. And you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Hey, Yardbird, me and this old Yakima on this 20-foot quad around Sacktown getting down.
Hey, 27, you tell old Yardbird, 445 waving at him on this number 2 station.
Hey, 445, you want the way they work. Here's number 2. Hey, 445, you want to...
Good morning to Diaz land. What a beautiful, beautiful day in the neighborhood.
I'll tell them bye-bye.
The power of the dark side. Beautiful transmit wild child, BeerMoney up. Hell like that Alabama skip shooter.
Time right back out of Missouri, Southeast Missouri, man. Well, good morning, time right back out of Southeast Missouri. 27 Sacktown, bumping it down.
721. 721 in Dallas, Texas. BeerMoney. I'm trying to see if we had any conditions. 721 in Dallas, Texas. BeerMoney.
Hello, wild child, man, it's been a while since I heard you too, Duck Plugger. Where's everybody been? Hey, wild child, man, it's been a long time since I heard you, this channel's been booming, so it's good to hear you guys bumping it down. It's a wild child. Well, you make it out here to the West Coast in fine style, man. Good to hear you bumping it down. 27 reading his mail.
Hello, Bluegrass. Hello, Bluegrass in Southern California.
917 Westside. No Roger, Mr. Thing in the Magnolia 917 in Cali is getting down.
Hey, 77.
445, Mississippi laying the hammer down on the east side, waving a hand.
Oh, 19 now,
Man, you hit me at 50 dB. Hey, 445, why'd you do that?
Wild child's ears.
Hey, 445, I had to let everybody know who the boss on the east side is. 445, you tell them all 445 ain't playing no more. Bye.
Working on 60. Hey, 445, you working on 60 dB in this old Yakima receiver, man, and that's with my attenuator at 10 dB, so you actually, you had me in the black if I didn't have that fucker on. 445, you lay me in the corner, man.
445. Alright, there, you got some background singers back there, man. They hooping and hollering. But I appreciate it. 27 445. Have a good day, thank you.
Yeah, hello, come on, let's go.
That 445 again. Here comes that 445 again. Maintenance man. Who's that station trying to get out? 162.
No more conditions.
160. Socal, where be stepping?
I'll tell you what, guys, all you guys out there in Cali be stepping out there, be sounding real good in that 445 video gate, 445. I appreciate it. Good morning, and 445, your classic rock station.
Good here in Northern Cal. You must be in Alabama. Right at the 60, right at the 60, right at the 60. Hey, 445, you got me right at the 60 dB in this old Yakima.
Right, 445, 162, Scoobydoo out here, Central Cal. I'm trying.
Alright there, 27, I appreciate it. I heard that 162 Scoobydoo out there. Before you key, hey, 27, I appreciate it. You said 60 dB in that Yakima.
Sacramento, Northern California, we're coming.
Hey, 445, man, I'll send you the gate. I ain't lying, and that's with the 10 dB attenuator on, man, so that knocks it back. Hey, 445, I'm about to click at the 20. You keep doing what you're doing. 445, enjoy your weekend, man. You got that hammered down. That coast to ghost is doing his thing. 27 reading the mail.
Hey, I was just fixing to say that. You just read my mind. You gotta have a ghost if you want to go coast to coast, 445. On top of my hill. Bye.
327, Riverside County,
445, I'm gonna get back on the quiet side. I did hear Alabama skip shooter when you got off the key, so I do want to wave. I ain't heard that duck bucket in a long time, too. Hello, Alabama skip shooter, 27, Sacktown, waving.
Roger. Have a fine day, 327, Riverside County, Southern Cal.
Alright, 73's Texas. You hear me better now? I just turned the beam right to you guys. The underdog, the 555.
Hey, morning time, quack in Alabama. Good morning time, quack, Alabama, 27, Sacktown with the Sunday wave.
Hey, number 7, behave you bad self out there. Hey, number 7, behave you bad self out there.
Alabama skip shooter, beer money. Alabama skip shooter, beer money. Alabama skip shooter, beer money. Northern Cal, I wave.
Hey, quack, I appreciate the bump down, man. Man, I sure have done. They do have fun coming up here on 27285, man. Hey, quack, you guys enjoy your weekend, man. I get to get ready to go for a ride on the two wheels today. Everybody on the east side, 27 Sacktown, I'm pulling back.
Beer money, Alabama skip shooter, beer money. Northern Cal, that was me, I wave.
How about it, 138? How about that 138?
Hey, 357, I heard you ease up in there again, man. I'm gonna do another bump down wave to you. 357, man, you still working that bodacious audio out here on the west side. 35727, working this Yakima on this 20-foot quad, getting down.
But that was beer money. Hey, Alabama skip shooter, we don't have the best conditions on Alabama skip shooter, but if you got a sloppy
917 on the west side is getting down. I am reading the mail. Baker.
Hey, 357, keep doing what you're doing, man, cause it...
Hey, 917, I hear you and BeerMoney out there at the same time. Hey, 917, take care. Hey, BeerMoney, California, 445, said take care. 445, I'm gonna read the mail.
Hey, 445, you owe me a...
Look at that 445, yeah, come.
Hey, 445, I'm gonna send you that messenger right now. Hey, 445, I'm trying to send it right now. It's a little, like a minute and a half, so it's taking a minute. I'll see you.
Bye. Alright, 27, I appreciate the gate out there. I sure do. Take care, 27 on that 20-foot quad in Northern Cal. Bye.
Captain Rod with the...
Hey, and don't be judging on my video skills. Hey, 445, don't be judging on my video skills, man.
Alright, 27. Well, I don't drink a whole lot of beer on Sundays unless beer money comes over at that hole.
Hey, you say you don't drink beer on Sunday unless beer money.
445, I forgot, man.
Out there, 917, somebody's laying a DC out there. I don't know what's going on. 917, 445 on the mail.
Good to hear you bumping it down around Northern Cal. 27, this 20-foot quad getting down.
Money. For your natural born thing, 445, beer money up.
Alright, beer money, take care out there, man. Good to hear you out there one more time. Beer money, my friend in Cali. Bye.
Your friend till the end, till we do it again. 445, beer money up on the west side.
You gotta make some change out there, get making beer money, 445. Hey, 445, I told you I gotta make some small change out of beer money, 917 is gone.
Alright there, 917, you said you got some change out there? Well, you can come and join us then. Hey, 917, my friend to the end.
That's my Roger, that's a Roger. I said I will go make small change.
Hey, Dirty Bird, tell my buddy Nice Guy that I'm waving. Hey, Dirty Bird, tell my buddy Nice Guy I'm gonna go right over here top of his head and steal his QSO. Dirty Bird, 27, Sacktown with the Sunday Wave.
Hey, 27, tell Dirty Bird 445 way down out of his way.
Hey, 445, you doing a morning wave yourself to Dirty Bird. Hey, 445, you tell Dirty Bird good morning and you out of his way.
Hey, 445, man, you're all in my receipt. Going down
I'll read some mail.
445, good to hear from you. 502 just got down.
Alright, 502, man, you loud out there around Fresno today. 502, what are you doing, man? You stepping on the pedal out there in Fresno.
Hey, 445, man.
On this snake, kinda got down on this low level ground plane.
445, have a good day, have a good rest of the weekend. 445 till we do it again. 502 just got down.
Alright, 502, it was a train wreck, but you come over the top. Somebody out there trying to key with you, 502, but you come over the top. Video gate no live. Bye.
Hey, morning time, Little Boy Blue. Hey, Little Boy Blue, man, I had to pull you out of that train wreck, but you did got your mother next to you.
That's how that was. 639 Tennessee with the wave. 502, we be stepping.
45, I'm back quiet.
Hey, Little Boy Blue, you said you're on the ground plane, you're gonna expect that. Little Boy Blue, you said you're on the ground plane, so you're gonna expect that, man, but you still got a whole lot of Mother Nature. Little Boy Blue, get here, you're bumping it down around Northern Cal, 27, reading his mail.
Coming through the air. I'm clear.
I gotta keep it low. I can't keep screaming in this microphone. Mama hit me with the frying pan.
I'll tell you what.